Hi guys, welcome back sa ating panibagong video. So ngayon guys, meron akong in-install na application which is ito siya, yung Banco. So ang alam ko is subsidiary ito ng BPI. So ngayon guys, try nating mag-create ng account dito. So pag na-install nyo na, so i-click ko lang tong Banco. Ayan, subsidiary siya ng BPI, nakalagay sa may bandang baba. And dito is hanapin natin yung open a new account. So ang itry ko dito guys is itong Todo Savings. And then click natin yung next. So todo sa dali, one ID lang to open an account. So tamang-tama, meron akong primary ID. Yan, wala siyang initial deposit requirement and maintaining balance. So let's start. And ID and your mobile phone. Okay, I'm ready. So ito, fill upan lang natin to guys, yung hinihingi na data. And pag once okay na, click natin yung next. And then data natin ulit. And then dito guys, pag na-fill upan nyo na yung mga details, i-click nyo lang yung next. So make sure lang tama lahat ng details, and then click natin yung next. And then nakalagay dito is only Filipino citizens can open an account. So for Filipino people only, or Filipino citizens. So yes, I am a Filipino, and okay lang natin yung terms and condition and privacy niya. And I am not a used person with click natin yan, and then click natin yung next. And please input your mobile number that can be used to verify your account. So try nating ilagay ang ating number 09, and then send OTP. Two two eight five six six 228566, and click natin yung next. And please select your gender and then male. And then dito ilagay nyo din yung active email address. And then click natin yung next. And then please enter your present address. Yung next. And then please provide the information being asked below. So source of funds, nature of work, and account purpose. So lagyan nyo lang to lahat ng details. Salary, and then nature of work is then after guys, i-click natin ulit yung next. Then select ID type for verification purposes. So ang akin is humid. And then yung scan. And i-check nyo lang itong details lahat sa baba, yung mga nakalagay. I-scroll down nyo na lang, and then if tama ba lahat ng details. So tama naman lahat ng details nya, and then i-click natin yung next. Please enter your username and password to do for saving. So mag-create na tayo ng username. And then dito guys, enter your 6-digit PIN password. So, maglagay tayo ng PIN. And then who referred you to those savings? Kindly skip if none. So, wala naman mag-refer sa akin. So, next lang natin. And then, kung makikita nyo guys, meron na akong account. So, nakalagay. So, regular savings siya. And then, i-try natin i-login. Ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, meron na akong todo savings account sa bangko. So, ganun lang kabilis. So, yun lang guys. Nakapag-create na ako. So, mag-create na rin kayo. So, thank you guys for watching.